One of them is going to come on the motorbike with me. I got some oranges there for €1. Bananas. Okay, I found a better place to store the fruit. In here. So today's been pretty tricky because I thought the roads would be nice and quiet, and I didn't pick the toll road. But I'm going along this road here, and it's just soot belching trucks, and there's actually a quiet part of it. Everything's just throwing up smoke and these speed bumps and all this kind of stuff. And it's just a bit of a pain in the ass and really boring, really. I'm just going to bang along from town to town and try and find some quieter roads, but still I want to make some distance towards Oaxaca. Okay. Funny other thing is, I've been looking for fruit for days in Mexico. For some reason, fruit shops are very rare. Even that shop there only had oranges and bananas, maybe one other thing like pears, and almost nothing else. But there's loads of flower shops. It's as in flowers. It's really weird. Don't know why, but anyway. Okay, so I'm back on the motorway again, but I don't know if you can see across in the distance. Mystery banana, we have to eat that. But I'm just moving from place to place, and the other cool thing is there's birds of prey hanging around here all the time. I mean, I could just keep going straight to work for the night. Time is now. Kilometers of this really bad house I called, but the road track, and Google doesn't seem to know which is which, but it's not ancient. You got some sort of almost forest and more hard rock there, and it's not many people around.